Ebusian former Asantewaa baby me mama kwaba eba insem wagana moti me voice dia na echaga how Karim just queen I just ni update ni de bidi who kimi one after the other enunti ena ma Asantewaa baby na ende de moti me nka eye ni jiasemo finally Afua Asantewaa a ending thon attempt and as a thon challenge na Guinness record not all break and there and order be she has been singing for the past 5 good days what 5 days 6 hours 52 minutes and 03 seconds like easy 5 good days 6 hours 52 minutes and 3 seconds I just say Ghana for na heli no as at midnight no or enter fit day no kwhwe ground ho and so any the people were jubilating, people were excited because obviously record no the start any day we're breaking a crowd. That is the number of hours and I saw him that's from 24th to 27th plus extra 9 hours and they were exceed the crowd and I just say beyond because she took a lot of breaks and delays ni nyama be mu extra one so that Guinness for slash breaks ni hours away delaying all those things some deducted time in your manner she will still be able to break the record and into now extra no now I had the extra no call a whole day with some hours and na ABC 5 good days 6 hours 52 minutes and 3 seconds. She has done incredibly well. I just say enya Asantewaa obia enya die bia very big congratulations going out to Afua Asantewaa dia why any day what say who say woman no day? Woman day and kasa why bibia everybody's excited obia any age. And I want to say a very big thank you and congrats. Just me who say na me express joy to Ghanaian celebrities. Hey, moi ya day Ghanaian celebrities have been very supportive. The number of supporters on my girl no just say do me ya check girl is enough and umpo na say umpo pushing a man do this level because obviously we are there na say nkofo support wa ovem rekwa be die die limited so okono kan hwa won do ho na die but since celebrities passing through celebrities are all too omonyo omo amoye footballers there form ho ne there form ho no ministers say once we celebrity we big personality we Ghana say omo fa the program na so omo supporting no enough morale for her aside if celebrities for no so the regular Ghanaians are almost few mufia homachi na pa bet na ho ebi kwa da ho ebi dikete toothbrush just say easy a lot of things happened our mobile ye be supporting Afua Asantewaa love no massive big shout going out to Ghana for any celebrities ni na me ko kind comment bi no be say Ghana nkasa no we are tese we do ye ho we are united but the problem is economic issues in a person separate. Can you imagine? I know say you go fire hot and go fire and then I'm separation me per se but yes idea Ghana here dear Charlie we are united. Oh yeah, this is a new good cause. If it's a good cause, their Ghanaians will support you and they've really proven say oh yeah, they now in year on best support or say now almost supporting Ifiano if Afua Asantewaa I just say why yeah dear power be big ups to Afua any team nina na or end day and medical for no bekasaka kwa and they were saying say because of health issues in Tino Momano and day once or break bia they attend to her and they know what's happening what's up when she's okay and all of that so ebe me so mo check here and baby you do need if she exceed that ebiana in the health na kwa style so it's just good and normal so mbema wa endi wa hase so that they will attend to the health no medically no sa checks is very important in ebe ya obenya apomodin na wa be address ye ankasa so that is why she ended the attempt at exactly 5 days 6 hours 52 minutes and 03 seconds Afua Asantewaa aye bibia and another interesting and fun thing that happened with her and husband. We can't even take the husband out of it. Support and the husband, actually, massive. According to some interviews, online also, or Chima or no son there for the past 6 days. So nobody just say one down point an event and the air start just to make sure say everything is in place. Now the year also the opebia. All her needs ni na ya available ni to also stand by the wife na just say enya asem ketewa at a point kwampo no or inside her baby and year na to nyum no ko present flowers at the man, like some beautiful flowers. Oh my God, like it was romantic. I don't know call for you didn't say Ghana men, for say Ghanaian men are not romantic, but man, no. If we could approve, we say no. Some of them are romantic. Why are there man? A lot of people are really excited. Like a lot of people are excited about Adiana or and this like kind of support her while showing the year, and if one else was around, like the family support was massive. You can't even take that away. They've been doing so well. Oh my dear pa, ufaha ubunsi no mu yesi, no more cook, no do man, no more money jackets. Now oh God, Charlie. Now iconic pictures being so about one thing. I just say. At a point, I say, oh, soon, who say tears and I say a sweater. Now, baby, in that bucket, we know scream. You can see, say she went through a lot of pain just to bring this joy. Emma Ghana for what I say, oh, no, cool, sacrificing to put Ghana on the map. Now, some photos, no, a legend. We just say, why, yeah, I don't think, say, Obi bet me forget idea we are why easy. And she has made this Christmas one of the memorable Christmas ever. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not capping. Most of Christmas never and say normal event I will be where we are. That's just it. But we know or the little touch be become aside the usual events now every Christmas be a and also the on the different one about SIA free I just say to me for the tickets to the usual shows while befa to me for my girl saying and now for her simple dates because listen, if I had baby, I don't know why it's not just for her, it benefits a lot of people. My girlfriends, home, free food, free drinks, and so many things. No, me sure so many the supportive one because Wama BBI easy. There were free drinks, free food, free finger foods, just a spring rolls, samosa. The place was crazy. And for form show you or dog individual and for how to tell yogurt me who be pa and no much chef. Charlie, Ghanaians, the love was massive. Now, Cecilia, me pie born the same. I'm more present report in BBI the Guinness for now. I'm just scared. I mean, bomb I say whatever hours are Guinness for best slash it shouldn't be that much. So we can still lead Indian Ghana. And speaking about Sunil, the Indian Ghana, why current holder of the longest singing marathon, which is Singathon, Sunil, no. One good thing is he came to Ghana and I said he's still in Ghana or be supporting Afua or Rabibia Afua Aduonum showing a massive support and look quite sure say listen Adiana ya no and I said Adia Afua it has really gone far akwa bonten pa nkofu bebre ehu pa na all those talking about Nigerians for no mom blogging and those please leave them. Allow them to blog whatever they want to blog. Let us also support our own. One person will join in celebration and in support, and they will do that willingly. Well, I should say, Obiefi India, the current holder and Ankasa Kraba show you support, which shows say indeed that Diana Ifwa, a traveler Kofapa, 80 years Guinness for yes, pass slash need the Yenim best slash because the delay and be moon, breaks in the too much and all of that. But with this long hours, we are very certain, regardless of and here on best slash, and still. Afua will break this record and she's leading. Why are the big ups going out to Afua? So this is just an update to congratulate Afua on a Singathon or Diaba area, as time goes on, almost the reports in the corners again is for the who messages banner BBA. We just give you the update on how Anina Ebe proceed. Senior Ebe call back to back Nina and finally till when again is for also Ebe Breno. Certificate, what I say. So yes, that's about it for today's episode of Asantewaa Ghana. Thank you so much for always sticking and staying with me. I'll bring you all the updates very soon. But for now, it's bye.